Hi everyone! Today we have 4 Christmas puzzles that we're going to put together while we learn our colors. What are our puzzles?
Christmas tree,
A Christmas tree,
the Grinch,
the Grinch,
Max,
Max,
Who?
and Cindy Lou Who. That's right.
What would take the apart?
Which one do you want to do first?
Max.
You want to do Max first?
Yeah. What take the apart?
Okay. Okay, there's Max. Can you find his Santa hat?
I found it.
You did find it. What color is his Santa hat?
Red,
Red and
white,
white. Good job.
different.
Which piece can you find next?
A ear,
That's his ear. That's right. And what color is his ear?
brown,
Brown. Do you use your ears to hear or to smell?
ear,
Hear. That's right.
nose,
That's his nose and his mouth. Do you use your nose to see or to smell?
smell,
That's right. And his last piece has
eyes,
his eyes. And what do you use your eyes for?
see,
To see. That's right. Good job. What puzzle do you want to do next?
the Christmas tree.
The Christmas tree? Let's get it out. How many pieces of the Christmas tree do we have?
1, 2, 3, 4.
That's right. We have 4. And which part has the star on the top?
This one,
Good job. What color is our star?
yellow.
Yellow.
That's it one.
Next is that piece.
Yeah.
Good job.
Oh, this one.
Now that one. And what color is our Christmas tree?
Green.
Green.
That's it one.
And that's the last piece, and it's got the base of our tree. What color are our ornaments?
Orange.
Orange,
Pink.
pink,
Orange.
orange,
Purple.
purple,
Yellow.
yellow,
Blue.
blue. Good job. Which puzzle would you like to do next?
Simmy woohoo.
Cindy Lou Who. How many pieces do we have for the Cindy Lou Who puzzle?
1, 2, 3, 4.
That's right, we have 4 pieces. Which piece do you want to start with?
But mouth.
Her mouth. Okay. And is she smiling or frowning?
Smiley.
That's right, she's smiling. She's happy. What piece is next?
Her eyes.
Are you doing 2 at once? Oh. There's 1 eye and 2 eyes. And last is
Her bow.
her bow. And what color is her bow?
Pink.
Pink. Good job.
Our orange.
Oh. And our last puzzle is the Grinch. And how many pieces do we have here?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. Good job. Which one do you want to start with?
Mouth.
Oh, his mouth. What color is the Grinch?
Green.
Green. What's next?
Her eyes.
His eyes. And what color are his eyes?
Yellow.
Yellow. And is that the fluff on his hat?
Yeah.
That's right. And what's last?
A Santa hat.
A Santa hat. And what color is Santa's hat?
Red.
Red and
What?
white. Good job. So we had the Grinch. And who's this?
Cindy woo.
Cindy Lou Who. That's right.
Max.
Max.
And the Christmas tree.
And the Christmas tree, that's right. Merry Christmas.
Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.